foundation of the digital transformation in project management, and project management. But it is not possible to complete all the things, complete all the topics in that session. So in that PPT there are many hyperlinks. The major topic I will cover during the time of that lecture. So after one and
layer by layer form, and once we start that, it's not even a two-dimensional object, it's maybe a point, and once we complete that process, it's a complete three-dimensional actual product. Okay. So now let's talk about the additive manufacturing process. As I already talked about it, it's a technique which we use.
Native words or the lathe words, that I have multiple nuts and bolts, and that's adding with some kind of component, small component inside the engine, and that engine, when it is coming as that small part, that is coming as an asset tool, where you can consider that example as an engine. Now when all the things, how they are working, all these things I